Hey guys, so I'm here today to give you your September month reading, and since I think that people really could relate to the zodiac series which I had put the last time, so I'm going to continue with that pattern. And let's start with fire signs today. Let's see what is the month of September bringing for fire signs, or what do you need to focus on in the month of September. So let me just see. Okay. Alright, so I have pulled out your cards and I'm going to interpret the meaning. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I feel that for the month of September, for the fire signs specifically, you really need to start being more practical about your approach to either your career or your love life. I don't know, I feel that it's possible that you have been giving too much energy or too much unnecessary energy to something in your life, and the universe is just reminding you that it's time to be a little bit more practical. It's time to be a little bit more diplomatic, when it comes to this situation. And over here the message is written that be practical with respect to how you proceed, the ability to make everything more beautiful, meeting someone who can help your dreams come true. So this is a very positive message I feel to start with in the month of September. The second message that I am feeling for you guys, that it's time to stop holding back and time to stop letting indecision waver you. I feel that when it comes to something very important in your life, again this could be either your career or your love life. Maybe you are confused between two career choices or two people, honestly, and the universe is just telling you that this is your month to make this decision. This is your month to finalize where you really stand. Stop being in this energy of indecision. Stop letting indecision holding you back. Just pick one thing, or maybe you can make a list of pros and cons and go the more practical way. But I honestly feel that you really need to be more intuitive about this, like what is your heart really telling you to do. That is something that you need to go ahead with. The third message that I am seeing for you is that something positive is definitely coming for you this month. I feel that multitasking and something that is going to take a lot of energy from you, but in a positive manner, is coming. Also feels like 8 is your lucky number this month. I don't know, I see like this energy of celebration and positivity. I feel that 8 is a good number, and I think that something worth celebrating, something that requires multitasking, maybe a wedding, maybe somebody else's wedding, maybe some celebration, maybe Ganpati, some festival is coming, and that's going to bring you a lot of luck. So I think that these are the messages for your September month. So this was honestly for fire signs of Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but yeah, I hope that you guys could relate to it, and definitely let me know in the comments below.